As a thank you gesture on this Mother's Day, I am going to share my mom's biryani recipe, which my cousins fondly call it as Peddamma's biryani. I have listed the ingredients in the description box, so let us see the procedure. Heat up a pan and add some oil. Once the oil is nice and hot, add one big thinly sliced onion and fry it. Once the onions are nice and brown, I'm going to slide them aside and add a little bit more oil. Now add bay leaves, cinnamon sticks, star anise and 5 to 6 cloves and fry them for a minute. Now add ginger garlic paste. Here I am adding around 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it until the raw smell goes off. Once the raw smell in the ginger garlic paste goes off, add 2 tomatoes that are diced. After adding tomatoes, add the spices: salt, turmeric, red chili powder, dhaniya powder, a little pepper, and garam masala. Now mix everything. Now add water, mix well, and put the lid on until the tomatoes are well done. Add 1/4 cup of curd and mix it really well to avoid any curdling. Now fry it for a minute. Now add around 350 to 400 grams of chicken, that is around 18 small pieces, and mix it with the masala. Now add biryani masala. Here I am using the one by Shan. It takes the biryani taste to next level, trust me. Now add 5 cups of water for 2.5 cups of rice. Basically double the water to the quantity of rice. Now add finely chopped cilantro and mint. I'm going to add 2.5 cups of rice now. Adjust the spices to your taste. Here I am adding extra salt, red chili powder and garam masala because we eat really spicy food. Here I am using regular Sona Masuri rice because that is what my mom used, but you can also use basmati rice instead. After mixing everything well, put the lid on and cook it on medium-high flame for 7 minutes. After 7 minutes, reduce the flame to medium and cook for 5 minutes. Once the rice is 90% done, put the flame in low and leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, switch off the flame and leave it for more 5 minutes. I know it's tough to wait, but imagine our moms have been cooking for us in the kitchen since ages. So yeah, patience. After a long wait, the biryani is ready to serve. You can serve it with raita or any salad. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Now go hug your mom and tell her how special she is to you. I wish you all a very happy Mother's Day.